Hello guys, this is CppiLove here, and today in Xcode I'm going to be showing you how to create an if/else statement. Now if/else statements are like for error checking or to see if something is true or false. Now click create a new Xcode project, just click enter on the command line tool, and you can call this one anything you want. I'm going to call it if/else statements and just click enter. Now I just created if/else statements, and I'm going to go to my main CPP and delete everything, because remember, we will always want to start from scratch. Now if you haven't seen my first two tutorials, you want to go watch them because they're important for creating your main structure for programs in C++. So we want to include the IO stream first. Then, of course, we want to use the namespace std, which stands for standard. And then we want to create an integer called main. And we want to return 0 at the end of that. Now, right up here, I'm going to create a comment that tells us what we're going to do. Now, the project of this program, see if the user is over 18, so he/she can watch an R-rated movie. Okay, so what we're going to be trying to do is see if he or she is over 18, so she can watch an R-rated movie, or he. So, the first thing to making this, of course, I think in my second tutorial I talked about variables and stuff, or third, we want to create an integer, because that's their age, and it's going to be called user age. Now we want to see out to them, you want to watch an R-rated movie. Enter your age. Enter your age then. So now we're going to have them, and then we're going to see in that input and assign it to the variable user age. Now if we run the program right now, it says you want to watch an R-rated movie, enter your age then. So I can just type 9,999, and it doesn't do anything because this is all that we've created right now. So let's write more code. Woohoo! Now this is the if statement part. So you can just type if, and it's if statement. You can just press enter, and it creates one for you. So the condition is the thing inside the parentheses. This is what we're testing. So if the user age is greater than 18, or no, greater than or equal to, because 18s can watch it, we want to see out to the user, you are over 18, enjoy the movie. And there we go. Now, so it's saying if the user age is greater than or equal to 18, he can watch the movie. Or else, it does this code. So if this is true, do this. Or else, do the code in this curly brackets. So if it's not true, if they're smaller than, or if their age is smaller than 18, say, you're under 18, you can't watch this movie. And we want to return 0 right here. Now, I forgot to mention, you can return 0 in if/else statements, and it will shut down your program. So like, you're under 18, you can't watch this movie, then I want to shut down the program. Because if I didn't put this, then they can just continue on to the code for the movie. But I want to shut it down so they can't do that. So now if we run it, it'll say, you want to watch an R-rated movie? Enter your age then. So what if I type, I'm 9? Well, it says, you're under 18, you can't watch this movie, and it completely stopped the program. Now if I run it again, and enter your age then, what if I put 20? It says, you are over 18, enjoy the movie. So that was basically if-else statements. Looks like I just saved it as else statements. Practice with these if/else statements because they're very important for your future of C++ coding. You know, you use them for a lot of stuff. Error checking, stuff like I just did. You also need if statements, like ATMs need if statements to see. You ask for an amount of money to withdraw, but if you have less money than that, it won't let you do it, and it returns 0. So, yeah, just practice with those, and thank you for watching my 4th C++ tutorial. Subscribe to me, please, and see you later.